Hello, welcome to YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to use instat software as descriptive statistics. So now let's get started. I'll open the software. Okay, so I will import the data or the file which I have created in the last video. Okay, file, then open worksheet. Alright, I have saved on my desktop. So this one is the data, right? Annual rainfall. So open. Yes. Now we will compute the statistics as well as some plots or some graphs. So first of all, let's do some statistics. So the first column or x1 is the rain. That means the annual or the total annual rainfall, and the second column is the number of days of rainfall. So we have to go to the statistics, this one, right? Click on that, then go to the summary, then descriptive, describe, right? So click on that. Yeah, this one is the Windows pop-up. So we have to enter the data. Okay, this one is the rainfall and the number of days. Therefore, we have to enter both of them. By clicking on them, then click on this symbol. All right, then click on the day or the x2, then click on this symbol. All right, then you can choose the standard statistics. So here you have different standard statistics. So if you want count, minimum, maximum, range, mean, standard deviations. All right. So we can perform all of them or one of them. Okay. So now let's click on OK. Okay. Right. As we know, this one is the command send as well as output or Windows. So this one is the descriptive statistics of this file. Okay. So there are two columns. One is the rainfall, the total rainfall, and the second column is the number of days. So the first column is what? Total annual rainfall. Okay. So number of the observations, it's 11 years. Minimum this much, maximum this much, range this much, mean and standard deviations also this much. Okay, and this way we can perform descriptive statistics. And the second is days, number of days. So again it is 11 observations. Then the maximum and the minimums are this one, the range, the mean and the standard deviations are this one. Okay, in this way you can compute descriptive statistics. And we can do more calculations. So let's again click on this summary. Then let's check this one, additional statistics. Okay, there are so many additional statistics: standard error, median, quartiles, higher moments, sum of squares, and this all. Okay, let's select median and quartiles. Okay, then click on okay. Okay, yeah, this one. Position, median, this one, lower quartile, upper quartile. Okay, and this way you can do more calculations. By saying this, let's jump to the graphics plot. So we can delete this one. Okay, by clicking here and select Control A, Control plus A, then delete. Now let's plot some graphs. So to plot, we have to come to graphics, right? Graphics, then plot. Then we have to choose X as well as Y variables. Okay. So in the Y direction, we have to select what? The total precipitation, or the total annual rainfall. Therefore, you have to select this one, right? Then click on this one, enter. And on the X variable, you have to select what? Number of days. Okay. Then you can change the styles as well as the colors of the plots or the graphs. So if you come here, symbol type, you can change to what we want. Okay, it's as to our desire, plus, times, star, or what we want. Okay, let's take this small circle and the symbol size. You can increase. Okay, it is 2. You can increase. Look, we can take 3 or what we want, right? So, and if you come here, symbol color. Okay, you can change the color. You can change. Let's take this green. Okay, then we can write the title of the plots. Okay, so total rainfall versus number of rainy days. That's right. So by filling all those criteria, we can now click on okay. You see, this one is the graph. Okay, along the x-axis, the number of rainy days, and along the y-axis, the total annual rainfall. All right, and this one is the title of the graph: total rainfall versus number of rainy days. Okay, what we have written. So we can make line. This one we can make line. This one is a dot, right? We can make lines. Okay. So to do that, let's close this one and go to graphics, then plots. Okay. Then we have to what? We have to check this one, show lines. All right. I have to check. Then you can change. Those. You can change the styles as well as the colors. Okay. Less to be as this. So click on OK now. All right. Have you seen? This one is the line. Okay. This somewhat it looks like zigzag. So it is a behavior of the data. You can perform this for any data. For instance, let's compute one more example. Manage. Okay, manage data regular sequence. Okay, then this one is up to 11 years now. The year is 11 years. So from 1 up to 11. Then you can see the review. Okay, show review. Okay, 1 up to 11. Now click on OK. Okay, this one is it. So you can plot now graphics, plots, and on y-axis that is this info. On x-axis, let's select now x2 or yeah, x2. Okay, we can rename this one to what we want, right? So now click on OK. Have you seen? This one looks like a good graph. So in this way, we can plot the graph by using this instat software. Okay, instat software is used for different purposes. Okay, I hope this video will help you. So again, if you are new for this channel, please subscribe as well as share for your friends. Thank you very much. I will do more videos on this instat software. So up to the next video. Goodbye.